Hello everyone, welcome to FinDataC. Please like and subscribe our channels below. Your support means a lot to us and is well appreciated. In today's Moomoo API, we'll teach you how to quickly observe and discover the hottest sectors in the market. The course will be divided into two parts. In the first part, 3 formulas will be introduced in detail: Get Plateless, Get Market Snapshot, and Request History Kline. In part 2, we will use these 3 formulas together with other Python tools to carry out the analysis. Let's jumpstart to the first function, Get Plateless. We can use this formula to get a detailed list of all the sectors, aka plate, in the market. This function has 2 parameters, market and plate class. Market tells you which market you can choose from. For example, US, Hong Kong, and Singapore. And for plate class, if we go into there, we have 3 choices: industry, region, and concept. For industry, that's our traditional way of classifying the market sectors. For example, financial industry, chemical industry, you name it. The second is region. It's supposed to be classifying by geographical locations. However, this is not working for the US and Hong Kong market at the moment. The third plate type is concept. For example, we have Tesla concept, 5G concept, etc. And this will be the main focus of our example later on. Let's go to Python to take a look at the Get Plateless formula. After running the code, we can open up the data. We have the stock code and we have the plate name, as well as the plate ID. This time we use concept to fetch the plate. So you can see we have blockchain, Alibaba concept, and many more. Next, let's introduce the second formula, Get Market Snapshot. We can use this formula to get information about the stocks at the present time, so-called a snapshot. You might wonder what information is available from this function. Let's take a look. You see here we have the price data, the open price, high, low, and close price. If we scroll down further, we will find financial data such as net assets, net profit, and earnings per share. This function, the snapshot, also gives us some common ratios, for example the PE ratio and PB ratio. And there are many more. Feel free to explore yourself. And let's run code, see how a snapshot looks like. Let's open up the data plate. And we can see what information we have. We have the price, as we talked about before. And if we drag all the way down to the right, we can see there are a lot more. Let's go to our last formula for today, Request History Kline. We can use this function to download the candlestick data for the stock. This function will be used very frequently and is one of our best tools to download historical price data. And we can see this function is a bit more complex than the previous two, so we'll go through them one by one. The first parameter code, of course, is the stock code. The second and third parameter, start and end. Start is the start time and end is the end time. If we don't enter a specific time here, there is a default value, which is 365 days. The fourth parameter, k-type, is the type of candlesticks. Let's take a look. And the candlesticks can be as short as 1 minute and as long as 1 quarter. The next parameter, all-type, which is adjustment, is used to adjust the stock price. Often when a company gives dividend or stock rights, there will be an adjustment to the stock price. Let's take dividend as an example. Stock before dividend is paid out is called cum dividend, and it worth more. And after the dividend is paid, the stock is called ex-dividend. Now it worth less. The next parameter field determines exactly what information we'll be downloading. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, we can download the price data, high price, open price, and low price. And there are many more, for example the PE ratio and the turnover ratio. In the end, we can also download the change rate, which is very helpful if we want to calculate the returns on the stock. The rest of the parameters are quite arbitrary, so we'll not go through them. Let's quickly run the code, see what request history kline looks like. Let's open up the result. And here we use the request history kline to get the last 5 days stock data. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we'll show the analysis in Python. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Your support is a big encouragement to our next production. See you at the next FinData.